guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. If you're new here, I do a lot of shop with me videos, clean with me, home decor, on a budget, lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Like the button if you do like this grocery haul video. So we are a family of 3. It's my fiance, my toddler, and I. And we do buy a lot of like snacky foods, healthy foods compared to like other things that I can buy, but still like snacky foods when we're on the go, or if I need to bring some to my mom's house, my mother-in-law's, or the sitters. This wasn't like a full-on grocery haul just because we still had a lot of things left over, but this grocery haul will probably last us about 2 weeks until we go grocery shopping. And of course I love Aldi's just because it's a lot more affordable. Even like there's some things that I'll shop and I'll buy at Walmart just because it's cheaper, but most of the things we do like to get from Aldi's. So other than that, I'm gonna just stop talking and let's just get into the haul. I snatched up this spice rack organizer because I desperately need this. My spice rack like section in my kitchen is just a hot mess right now, so I'm excited to put this up. We got whipped cream cheese because we prefer whipped cream cheese instead of regular cream cheese. And then this item, the protein cream cheese, was a new item. I've never seen it before. Elena really liked it, so I think I'm going to pick that up next time as well. Just 1 apple for Elena. I got some mushrooms. I prefer the whole mushrooms than the sliced mushrooms. And then I got some bananas. And then these are my favorite meatless meatballs of all time. I've tried different brands and I keep going to this one. They have the classic flavor, and then I also have like an Italian flavor, and I pop these in the air fryer and they're so good. And then I also like picking up these honey gold potatoes. They're like the smaller bite-sized ones because I feel like if I buy the big bag in my household, they actually go bad faster. We just go through these a lot like slower. I picked up some almond milk and some apple juice for Elena. And then I got some rice cauliflower to make some like fried rice. I picked up some organic black beans. And then I picked up some cheese to make pizza and for my pasta. Plus, Elena goes through cheese so quickly. And then we picked up some organic baby carrots. Every single time I can pick up organic at Aldi's, I usually do, just because it's a lot more affordable than other stores. I believe it's like only 20 cents cheaper compared to like the regular produce there. Every single time we go to Aldi's, we usually pick up a couple of these. These are a staple in our household. Elena loves them. This one I've never seen before. It was like a tomato and oregano flavor, but we usually get the spinach or the cheese. This right here I've never seen as well, but I tried them last night and they are so good. They're really, really well seasoned and they're not bland at all, and we all love them. I usually pick up pretzels from here because they're really affordable, and we eat these with hummus. And then Elena loves hash browns, so instead of actually going out to get some every single morning, well, not every morning, but every time I want to treat her, instead I just pop these in the air fryer and she loves them. So I'm definitely going to pick up a bag or 2 next time I go. And then I picked up some cinnamon for my oatmeal and my coffee. And then some turkey pepperoni. I usually pick them up from here instead of like Walmart or somebody else or somewhere else, just because it's a lot more affordable. And then this was new as well. This was like a green chile organic chicken sausage. It was pretty good. I had some last night, and the macros are pretty good as well if you're interested in that. And then I usually pick up my chia seeds and my flax seeds and stuff like that from Aldi's just because obviously they're more affordable. And then I picked up some baby wash because I desperately needed some. I didn't think this was going to actually like be okay, but it's actually pretty good. It just doesn't foam as well as like the Johnson & Johnson like that it says it's compared to. But for $1.69, you cannot beat that price. And then I got some Cheez-It packets. I usually get the big box compared to like the smaller pre-packaged ones just because it's a lot cheaper. But out of convenience, I like to get these when we're on the go. And then I get my tortillas from here because they're $1 and it's a 10 count. And then every time we go, we love getting this naan. And then whenever I get extra, I just pop it in the freezer because it defrosts really well. I usually make paninis or pizza out of those. And then I got some yogurt for Elena. And then the last thing that I got was some chicken. So the total for my entire grocery haul was $76.13, and I probably won't be back for about another 2 weeks or so. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do so below. And then I will link the rest of my playlist down below so you can binge watch me a little bit more if you want to. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time.